It's a good time for...
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything really can't go so. No, them picture the art. And picture that with Ragashanti art. Me nah lie, she make me look good. Me nah lie. Shireen make me look hot. Cause me never art before. I'ma take picture with Shireen. I know me look hot. Look there. Oi. Okay. Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you wonder, can this really be true? I can read a mix-up. A government administration officer became violent when he found out his wife had been unfaithful with the best man at their wedding, Simon Greenwood. Perhaps if it was ripe. who had been married to wife Sylvia for 10 years, jumped on top of her in bed and rained punches on her. Any day she hear the song, make it rain, she not got too happy. In another incident, he grabbed her by the throat while waving a knife about. This is not a joke, people. 4 years ago, Mrs. Greenwood started divorce proceedings, claiming her husband was violent when he had a drink. He stopped drinking, and the divorce was halted. On July 23rd this year, the couple were in bed when Greenwood jumped on top of his wife and threw punches at her head. Mrs. Greenwood told the police that 4 days later, her husband was shouting. She said he kept bringing up the fact I had slept with his friend in the past. When interviewed by police, Greenwood said he was upset due to his wife having a sexual encounter on June 20 this year with his best friend. Martin Hilson, defending, said Mrs. Greenwood has a number of outside interests and friends. That is a nice way of saying he might get crazy bone to him structure. A number of outside interests and friends. Woolly Pabon, a number of outside interests and friends. Jew grind to the max, a number of outside interests and friends. A bagabona man. And him start beating him, man. But him need to hear Delo song, though. Him need to hear Delo say, I've seen that brother hear the truth, you know. But now I like that brother have to hear your truth, you see it. Because he reach him. And him can't all the time say beating and beat things to his wife face, you see it. But, hey, Chris Grass, real quick, news time, but what do you think about this thing and that we need for ban the name best man in the wedding name?
Ban the name?
Yeah, the person can't do that. You can't have a chief groomsman or a groom of honor or whatever.
But the term,
best man. You want to marry your wife and there's another man in your wedding when him the best man. Then if him the best man, I'm going to second you come. Him not say title say him can palm your wife.
A real thing, you know?
A real thing, man. No, it's just one of them names. Deputy, yeah. Deputy groom or something. Vice groom or something. Or soon reach groom. Yeah, not boss yet groom or something. Don't call him fainting groom though, because then you take it personal. But anyway, that's just my point. That was...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Yeah, welcome back. Okay, people, don't know what the drill. How you say engagement mix-up and wedding mix-up, yeah? All right, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
You want to have an engagement mix-up here?
Yeah. Say that.
Yeah, Raga, this girl engaged to the man. Set date everything for it, you know. Raga, when everybody turn up at the church, a normal service are going. No wedding now go on. Like the girl at the engaged to the man, you know.
She do what? So wait, say that again. When the walk go on?
When everybody turn up at the church for the wedding day, no wedding now go on. A normal service are going like Bible study. I one of them service because I didn't want to week there.
But hold on, only they know the man where she says she engaged to?
No, sir. Every time she come, because I don't really get her, every time she come, when we say we live uptown, when we check it out, at the Brooklyn, the girl live.
How where she live?
At the Brooklyn.
Where that there?
Ugly Park Road, man.
Ugly Park. Okay. Then wait, she did give you wedding invitation or anything?
Youth invitation, everything.
Oh, Lord.
The team are blue and white.
The team are blue and white. Man. And give you wedding invitations and be a thing. Then she put one man name on the wedding invitation, of course.
Yes, my love.
Okay, and then telling her which church and everything.
Which church, everybody.
So which church it did for happen?
One church at Mullions Road. 140 Mullions Road.
100, you know remember church there?
No, sir. 143 Mullions Road.
Okay, so when this thing go down?
But in April.
In April? And not a wedding, that means that she never engaged nobody?
Not an engagement to nobody, you can lie. But when she come and give invitation, you know, I'm not stop laughing, you know. And I said, that the Lord girl there. Every time she come tell her story, you go to the mother and say, that the Lord girl there.
No, but hey, you see when people lie upon them level, that is what you call a pathological liar. Like, and a regular lying them there, a disease lying them there. You understand? No, man, she's sick. No, anybody walk around and give out, don't engage to somebody. Walk around and give out wedding invitation. I tell people, say, blue and white, I do it. Blue and white, I do it.
Nobody talks to the man in Reggae. Nobody don't know the man.
All them time, no know the man. I want to ask her where she lives. She said she live uptown. You understand? And then I send out wedding invitation, blue and white. Tell her that. I'll have an engagement ring and be a thing. No, man, no, man, she's sick, man. That girl is sick, man. That's a sick girl.
She changed her life.
She changed her life, so she stopped her pants and all them stuff with that skirt.
Her pants and these things, and she stopped fighting all these things.
A skirt, you say? No, man, no, that's a sick woman, man. That's a sick dog. She know, honestly, she need to go talk to Agrians or what the other famous psychiatrist name? Freddie Clint. She need to go talk to one of them people, man. Honestly.
I want to miss you about Reggae.
I buy paint.
She go paint out her house.
Oh, she go paint her mansion, no?
She go paint her house uptown.
Uptown.
Yeah.
I wonder if she live with the former governor of Jamaica, Mr. Latimer there. Because she probably live in that $50 million house, you know. Yeah. What a girl wicked.
I don't see you.
No, what a girl wicked. No, sir. Anyway, respect for that mix-up there. Sheldon. Nah. All right, bless up. Yo, that mad. Ain't not some high levels of sickness that, Richie. Yeah, I can tell everybody, boy, you engage to marry, you engage. You know, engage in a body, I give out wedding invitation, get in the church and everything, I make everybody turn up, buy them good clothes, and turn up and sitting, and whatever. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello? Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Whoa.
What's up, man?
I'm a day, I'm a king.
Well, I'm a regular listener anyway, you see what I say?
Yeah.
All I look about my people about news here, let me tell you, say, one thing we have to tell them right now is just legal things, you see what I say?
Nah, we don't look upon them.
Them can't stop you.
I wish some more life and prosperity.
More life and prosperity, you see what I say?
See it there.
Right now, I have some little link up to you right now, still, you see what I say?
Yeah.
But my little wife, I live with her, one thing, you see what I say? I tell us this, we about people boring star. I never see a woman boring, say it's not my life, brother.
Your wife boring?
Yes, man, boring.
How long now you married to her?
2 years now. 2 years.
You love her?
2 years, yeah.
You love her?
Yeah, man, straight up.
Oh, so you still love her even though she's boring?
Yeah, man, I love her.
How she stay if you make you say she's boring?
Alright, if I'm going at night time, you know what I say?
Yeah.
More time, alright. First of all, before she showed me a thing, you know what I say?
Yeah.
We get a youth together, you know.
Yeah.
We get a youth together, you know. Yeah. And right now, me live with her, me stay with her right now, Raga. Me love her still, you know.
Yeah.
But the youth are keep it together right now, still, straight up.
What? No, so so basically you'd have left her if I never for the youth?
If I never for the youth, I left her a long time, Raga.
But why you would have leave her? Just because she's boring?
Boring and everything.
No, but okay, but tell me what about how she stay? Quick, tell me how she stay makes you boring.
Eh?
How she stay? What she do makes you?
Eh? It's only going in the night time. It's like she just sleep in her bed and, you know, all right. Even the other night, you know, them cool nights from one night. You know,
yeah, for one night it's cool.
Yeah, they say, hit down, you know, brother. And I tell her, so go in and I rush to her and she can't on the phone and say, boy, she cool, you know?
Yeah.
And I tell her, say, go in, we'll charge up in the Reggae. Me not take nothing until, you know.
So you never take nothing in the cool. She call you and say she cool. Yeah. So you charge up now. So you're ready for put it on her. Are you rolling? And then what?
Rolling, stars.
Yeah.
I said, babe, you call me, say, boy, you're cool, you know, so on. She said, none. So I said, where's the look if she got that big and wrap up Reggae? So me touch her Reggae.
Yeah.
He said, look, she said, boy, that's all you're good for. Reggae.
When you touch her, she said, that's all you're good for.
That's all you're good for.
What?
You know, so when I say that's all I'm good for, because I know exactly what she talk about, you know.
Yeah, she said, I'm going to start out your work.
What she come with, but she said to me, boy, she know that's all I'm good for. You see what I say?
But let me ask you something. When you say she's boring, you mean she mostly boring when it comes to sort out, or that you say?
Boring when it comes to sort out, Reggae.
Okay. When last year your wife sort out? When last year your wife sort out?
About last week Sunday, which is about the 12th, right?
Last week Sunday, about the 12th, you had sort out?
Yeah.
Last week Sunday?
Yes.
You mean Sunday gone?
Sunday, when was the 12th?
Yeah, man. So, you remember the date? All right. So, Sunday gone, you had sort out. How long did it sort out for? How long that one did it go for?
Huh?
How long that one did it go for?
Well, that go for about 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yeah.
45 minutes?
Yeah, man.
Well, what? 45 minutes?
Yeah, man.
So, I'm going to go out and look at something then, right?
Yes, man. Yes,
okay,
man.
all right.
She like it now when you know. Because she has to boy more time, she has to come here and tell me, say, boy, you are wicked because, you know, you know. So my time I look on the time in a Reggae, come here and say, boy, you are. Then one day if I do, I do not.
Oh, so more time you shot it and you look on the time and realize say you go hard because I use a stoller, no?
And you say, I mean, sure, when I time, I ask her, I say, boy, all right, she showed me a thing one day, you see what?
Let me ask you something. Do you romance your wife?
Yes, man.
Are you a romantic man? Tell me some of the romantic things I'm going to do. Tell me some of the romantic things I'm going to do. Hello? Hello? Oh. You get cut credit. Because sometimes when the man, well, if a woman call you and say you're cool and she cool and you for come home or whatever, if I want to give them time more time, you know, why you shut it out, you go home, you know, it's said hard, you see me? But sometimes your man, I make up nice and I say, woman boring and him not really relate to her a certain way. Because I have some woman, you know, them, see me, you know, you're married and things become routine. You all have a man that say the woman boring and I really, the man boring, you know. And through him boring, she just shut down on him, you understand? And sometimes you have a woman that say, you have some woman, for example, them love say man boring and them this and that. And them not make no effort for do nothing, you know. Them not go to the man one day and say, come, I could go somewhere. Come, let me carry you. We could go walk and work, girl. You know? Let me carry you. The man must just get up and do everything to make the relationship. And then them walk every day and say the man boring. Right? And it's done that talk about what they do, you know. You have some people do that. So, it's enough time when you hear people and say somebody is boring. Because the key thing where him saying, no, she's saying, I mean, I'm clicking on my counseling zone right now. You hear him say, she say? That's all you're good for. That is always a sign. That is always a sign. Say, him probably now, you know, you understand what I say, Richie? Him probably now make the woman feel appreciated. Him probably now do some simple little things. Him probably do, and when I talk about money and all them something, you know. I talk about I'll just buy her something there. Yeah, carry her, go get ice cream. Send her 2 texts for Shaka or whatever. I make she say, you know, say you're an idiot. You know, sure, we can't take him, you know. Boy, I tell you. You know them look away, they send her 2 texts or Shaka or thing or whatever. And, you know, surprise I think left her something and do over here and go and then when she come out and say, you know, say you're an idiot. I can't believe say you left the basket of fruits and this. You know them look foolishness there, whatever. Woman love them things, eh? women are glutton for attention. Well, people, man, too. But you understand. But you do them look at things that, enough man don't realize 4 players start long before you get in our bedroom. You know, Richie? 4 players start long before you reach a bedroom. You have some man treat some woman good and thing, all the woman then all want vex with them and can't vex with them, Don't it?
One time, you say if you vex, you have to vex and cuss your friend for him.
Yeah.
How when you see my baby?
Yeah, you have some man just treat that woman good and just, so, sometimes I just want to lick it. I can't take it. I can't stand whatever, You have some man treat some woman good, them all want to hold out with the side out. When the man, them just say, no, sir, no. Or him treat me, I'm not lie. Take it, I hear one, the whole light of fear. You understand? So bring in the next caller. Hello.
Hello, Raga. Good afternoon.
Good. Are you me? You say I pop some big laugh that while ago?
Yes, Raga.
How will you laugh? How was sweet?
Raga, long time listener, first time caller, I know, Raga. What's up?
Welcome to the calling family.
Yes, Raga. Me a mix up for a long time.
Okay. Box me with a mix up and I'm watch it not now.
No, Raga, me not no mix up and I know what my friend them a talk about, Raga.
What them a talk?
So what happened to you downtown the other day? Then so much of the time of the month did for you, Raga.
The time. No, that cool. I'm
here to tell them say no man then can't do Raga like that,
No, but everybody had done me, Everybody had done me. I saw it go down, we say thick skin and broad background, a crazy car that drop on me right here, But I say a word though, I saw it settled.
Broad can take a Raga.
Yes, man, that we say thick skin around there when I look on them. I mix up sitting, so I saw it things.
Yeah, man, I mix up sitting, so we just go on,
All right, then I bless things,
Raga, you make my idea, Raga.
All right, then, man, we're there.
Yeah, I look forward to listen to you.
See it there?
And a long time I tried to get in to the program, but I couldn't get in, Raga, because one time when you had a mix up with the doctor thing there.
Yeah.
Me don't want to get in with it, man, but me never get the chance.
But what doctor thing did reach you now?
Huh?
What doctor thing did reach you?
One time, Mr. Raga, I went to the lab to do a test, right?
Yeah.
An ultrasound test?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this man who I did the test, me not even know what you call them.
Right.
But anyway, he said that when me go inside and me shut the door and me go inside.
Yeah? Hello? Is what? Two caller, then cut off with credit. Oh, Lord, man. So, man, I think that one the dog heart, man. You don't have a number? Sure. All right. So, that one the dog heart, because I feel say with the man who do the ultrasound test, go on with some sitting, Hey, when you see Michelle, there's a walk in and a walk out. You see Michelle, there's a walk in and a walk out. Remember I tell you that the bathroom door, they just like creak the way it open and close, man. What them say? I don't nervous, Nerminous. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
What's up?
Hi, handsome.
What's up, baby?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're sounding fine.
How are you?
I'm feeling real good now that I'm speaking to you.
Oh, Lord. How you doing this to me? You need to stop it. You're no good.
I mean, even if I wanted to stop once I'm in your presence and speaking to you, I can't.
Say that again?
So even if I wanted to stop once I'm speaking to you, I can't.
Oh, Lord, Jesus.
You just make the thing helpless. A straight send when you're devout, you know?
I can't deal with it. You're too much. You're going to send me to the emergency room.
And I'll be a doctor.
Any day.
So bring the patient over here, close the curtains, mud. So I go to again.
Lord, Raga, you've made my day.
All right.
It is the same person that you saw earlier today at the office. And I gave you a nice warm hug.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
You know, big milk burger. You forget.
No, I think your name is Alicia, is it?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
You remember.
Yes, yeah, I remember.
Oh, Lord.
Well, I usually remember the names of nice ladies, so.
Trust me, Raga. Boy, you're handsome,
Oh, thank you.
I never know so say you're handsome. And, oh, gosh, you made my day. That hug was really, really special.
All right.
I'm not used to right where I got that little peck on my forehead.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to wash it. I'm just going to wash around it.
Oh, you're going to wash?
Yeah. Because I don't want it to go away.
Okay. Are they still troubling you?
Oh, Lord.
Are your co-workers still troubling you?
Oh, gosh. Them not stop. Them said I'm going to put it on YouTube.
I'll lie.
Bare things, Raga.
All right. That's
so
all right.
Car, them a drop on me.
Don't pay them no mind, yeah?
No, pay them no mind, Raga, because I you, me say.
To the world. All
husband
right.
knows, say.
Eh?
And my husband knows him have a mate a long time.
Okay, so your husband knows me and me.
Long time.
Okay, all right.
Long.
So I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that.
I feel cool with it.
Okay.
But I'm not him cool with it. I'm not telling me I listen to you, Raga.
See it there.
Long.
How long now? How long?
Years. Some when they would have way back stuff from what's her name? You always mention her name. What's her name? I mix up them always shots. And she's mixed up.
Oh, set you back on it, no?
Yes.
Okay.
From way back them time there.
All right, that's our word.
It a mixed up there.
That's our word, man. Our blessings, man. You don't know that we just give thanks for all them support there over the years.
All the while, Raga, all the while.
All right.
I mean, that's a good thing, You may not agree with everything that, you do on your program, but I love your program.
All right.
And I listen to you every day. Raga, why you don't want me to do the people in work?
What do you mean?
Every time I see as me doing a Raga, I pay myself.
Okay.
And if I don't sell, I don't pay myself.
All right.
And every time if I sell something, I can't say, when you come to 1 o'clock, I have to listen to you.
All right.
I can't tell the people them good.
Well, I guess if you don't sell enough, I go and just have to take you up and take care of you, right?
I don't have a problem with that.
You don't have a problem, no?
I can be arranged.
All right, then.
Yes,
okay.
we need to hook up.
All right. Yo, make I take a next call, yo. All right, blessings. Here, you take care.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care. All right, blessings. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Enough respect to Alicia. Saw her at an office, went to pay for something that has to be at Mixup An Blenda, and she was there. Once I went in, they were like, "Oh, you have to meet Alicia. She loves you." And Alicia was just smiling and the whole night. And we had a little hug and all that, Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga?
Yes.
Dr. Stewart?
Yes.
Dr. Stewart?
That's me.
Okay, let me plug up my earphone. Listen, Raga, I have a mix-up for you with the wedding thing.
Yeah.
I know somebody go to Jamaica, go get married.
Yeah.
Carry the man down if they get married, and the day of the wedding, the father dead. That's how much the man never like the wife.
Hold on. Say that again.
Me say, them go to Jamaica, go get married.
Right.
They live here, okay?
Right.
And them go to Jamaica, go get married.
Right.
And the way the father never liked the wife, the woman.
Yeah.
The man dropped, take it to heart, and dead the same day of the wedding. The
Stress
husband had to come back the night.
Oh Lord,
There was no honeymoon.
Okay, they had to plan for a funeral. Where are you calling from, real quickly?
I'm calling from New York, Raga.
New York. All right, then blessings and respect here.
Thank you. Later.
Yeah, you
Bye.
take care. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga. First time caller, long time listener.
All right.
Sorry for telling again, I'm very mixed up about myself, but I'm kind of nervous. Anyway.
No, man, you can't. Take your time and start, All right?
All right. I've been with this guy from 2005.
Right.
I was supposed to get married then.
Right.
And on the wedding day, I was at the in our room, and I called my fiancé a week before I did something bad.
A week before you did something bad? That tell me what you did do bad. What you did do bad?
I slept with somebody close for him.
You slept with somebody close to him. That means...
So he was the groom, best man at the wedding.
Okay, all right. So a week before your wedding, you slept with your husband-to-be best friend who was to be the best man at the wedding?
Yes.
Okay. And why you go sleep with him? You and him did it in something all the time? Agua?
No, but I don't know. Like, the feeling was there for him. I was getting married to this particular guy for the wrong reason. I wasn't in love with him or anything.
You wasn't in love with him, so you were getting married to him for the wrong reason.
Yes.
So when you did meet Theme Friend now?
I know him before I met my fiance. I know him before, but...
Oh, hello? Oh, God, no!
Okay.
Well, quick, route. All right. No, because I couldn't hit that one. You see, when you get a good call and it cut off, it's like, Richie, you know me attack, Chris Cross, you know me attack. But now I said not no more. You don't know me attack, Michelle. Ruthie, you don't know it. It's like, you know, when you get a good call and it cut off, it's just like, my mother, move. And you're like, no, not no. Ruth, we're good? Okay, yes. Yeah, man. So you say you didn't know the best man long before you know your husband to be?
Yes.
Oh,
I met him through a friend, but after I met my husband, I know he was a friend of his. But I met the best man before.
Oh, okay. But they were actually good friends. But you just met your husband, your husband to be after.
I don't know why you judge me.
No, darling. That you should, if you listen to me, you know that you know, whatever. So then, on the wedding day, you know what you do? What happened?
Like before we get married, I called him, but I wanted to tell him.
Right.
Because I never want to keep it on my mind.
Right. Your conscience.
I don't know why I tell him still, but I decided to tell him. I don't know why on that special day.
Right.
Anyway, but tell him.
Yeah.
And him says, he talked to me like, him tell me it was all right, he will forgive me, and him hug me and kiss me. And anyway, when we reached the church now, and we're up at the altar and everything.
Yeah.
I stand up there, and him stand up there looking at me. And he turned to me. And the man was right there, his best friend was right beside him, and he put the two hands together and set my hand on his best friend and just put them together and said, enjoy, the two belongs together. And then he walk out of the church.
A lie! No, hold on, don't feel no way. Just give me 1 second here. Tambourine! Hold on there. After you tell your husband to be about the thing, him just play it cool and say, yo, him forgive you everything, and I want to hug and say, I go ahead with the wedding and everything, right?
Yeah, because him give me the whole idea, so everything, all right, I'm going to take it light. I'm going to be happy after I hug me and everything. I'm happy.
So you're happy because you get it off for your chest. You don't feel like you deceive him anymore. You don't feel like you're doing anything cruel anymore and so forth and things. So wedding a go on. Then the time him have a plan anymore. And then him just very gently and calmly just hold your hand right in front of all of the guests them and everybody. And hold the best man and just put the two on together and say the two on belong together.
Oh, yes, I got.
And then him just walk out?
Walk out. But me, but you know, we can't say this public. I mean, never can do that still because we never really want him. And that's
so you didn't glad him do that?
Yeah.
But talk to God too. At that moment, you never embarrassed? You never?
I would, you wouldn't even know. I was embarrassed, of course. When he walk out of the church, him go in our car and drive. And one bus, like a family bus, was there, like a family bus.
Yeah.
And we tell the driver, we go out of the bus and tell the driver to follow behind him.
You go in at the bus and tell the driver to follow behind him?
Yeah, follow behind my fiancé.
And then what?
Just follow behind him because you want to leave the church.
Okay, but you get the people the impression like say you play it off.
Yeah. No, yeah.
But tell me the
story, at least everybody there.
And then what? The Papa Jesus. Wait, which year this happening? In 2005 this happened too?
Yes.
And in what town? Because you can't tell her no. Based on the nature of the story, you can't tell her what town or whatever.
What town?
Yeah, where did it happen? Where?
Oh, St. Thomas.
Huh?
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas. We're in St. Thomas, if you don't mind. Morant Bay in St. Thomas. So, okay. So you drive and so then what happened after? You want him to talk after that or anything?
Me tried call him, but we talk. But him not deal with me from then.
Okay. Big question now. And tell me the truth.
Yes, brother.
Because God will listen to you and God will look for. Did you and the best man start out after that again?
Yes, brother.
What?
Listen. Me and now up to today, me and him still involved.
Well, when they say involved, that means that uno not there, but uno not do the things them. That's all?
Yes.
Uno not there?
We live together.
Oh, so uno up to that day, the two wanna live together and make life, aren't they?
Yes.
Uno have any youth or anything?
No, not yet.
Okay, uno plan to get married?
No, even though what?
What you say, if they want married, no. If they want married, yeah, that mix up your shot. That mix up your shundum. You see it? No. That one they're mad for real. No, that one they sell off. 2005, Morant Bay St. Thomas was a place I'd want to be at. This is when the answer for. But right now, him not no marriage thing, you know? Him just like one juggle. Anyway, we run out of time, but respect, boy, that's a nice call for end the day with you, understand? Take care of yourself.
Next time,
yeah, okay, no, man, you did really well. Trust me, you did really well. You did really well. I mean, you were so composed and confident. One would think that, you know, I can just see you going through a wedding and you're successful. All right, take care here. Whoa.
Yeah, I hope would I leave him in time for you, though, you know?
Oh, well, you'd leave the man when you're there with the right hand any time for me?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
No, man, I really think you talk or you joke out it.
Brother, I'm not so nervous again, I'm serious now, yes.
Oh, Your route, I can't name my number, then we have to call you back. All right, don't worry yourself, take care. No, sir.